For those who lived the glory days of two-stroke madness, and for those who only heard the legends, get ready. Because in 2025, Yamaha isn't just reviving history, they're setting it on fire again. Back in 1984, the Yamaha RD500LC exploded onto the scene, a street-legal Grand Prix monster with a snarling 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke V4 heart, armed with the groundbreaking ypvs system. Inspired directly by Yamaha's GP500 race bikes and the legendary Kenny Roberts himself, it captured the spirit of speed, rebellion, and cutting-edge technology. It wasn't just a motorcycle. It was a ticket to the future, wrapped in raw adrenaline and blue smoke. Fast forward to today, and the dream is alive again. The 2025 Yamaha Road 500LC roars back, more than just a name from the past. It's reborn with sharper lines, a more compact, aggressive stance, and a menacing front end that looks like it's ready to tear through the track. The dual underseat exhausts hint at its feral nature, while new LED lights carve through the night like twin blades. Underneath, a newly engineered V4 engine delivers explosive power, tuned for brutal mid-range and a spine-tingling top-end rush. The lightweight frame and MotoGP-derived suspension promise razor-sharp handling, whether carving city streets or screaming down the straights. Modern rider aids are there, but only to sharpen your instincts, never dull them. The legend isn't just returning. It's been reborn for a new generation of rebels. The 2025 Yamaha Road 500LC V4. Are you ready to chase the smoke once again?